What is an owlbear? The unexpected D&D creature everyone is talking about. Unraveling the mystery of the D&D Owlbear. Within the realm of Dungeons & Dragons, a mythical creature known as the Owlbear has captured the imagination of adventurers and storytellers alike. With its ferocious appearance and mystical origins, the Owlbear has become an iconic creature in the realm of fantasy. The tale of the Owlbear dates back to the early days of Dungeons & Dragons, with its first appearance in the Greyhawk supplement published in 1975. The creature was envisioned as a magical hybrid combining the features of an owl and a bear. The Owlbear quickly gained popularity among players and dungeons masters, as it has since become a staple in D&D. The exact origins of the Owlbear remain shrouded in mystery. Legend suggests it was the result of a magical experiment by a powerful wizard seeking to blend the traits of two formidable creatures. Through a complex process and the arcane ritual, the wizard succeeded in merging the body of an owl and the strength and ferocity of a bear. However, the experiment spiraled out of control, and the Owlbear was born as an unpredictable and fearsome creature. The Owlbear possesses a distinct appearance that combines the elements of both owls and bears. Its body is covered in thick fur reminiscent of a bear, while the head showcases the unmistakable features of an owl, including a large beak and piercing eyes. Powerful talons extend from the bear-like paws, allowing the owlbear to rend through flesh and bone with ease. In terms of abilities, the owlbear is a formidable predator. It possesses enhanced senses, granting it exceptional night vision and accurate hearing similar to that of an owl. This enables it to hunt efficiently, even in complete darkness. Its powerful beak and talons are capable of inflicting devastating wounds, making it a dangerous opponent to face in combat. The owlbear's immense strength allows it to overpower and incapacitate its prey swiftly. With its combination of brute force and the predator instincts, the owlbear is known to be a force to reckon with, making encounters with this creature both thrilling and perilous. Throughout Dungeons & Dragons, the Owlbear has enthralled players and captivated their imaginations with its origins and formidable prowess. From the mysterious creation of its fearsome abilities, this creature has become an iconic symbol of the fantastical world of Dungeons & Dragons. So adventurers beware. If you dare to venture into the wilderness, be prepared to face the mighty Owlbear, a true testament to the wonders and dangers that await within the realm of Dungeons & Dragons. For more D&D lore, mythology, and 3D printing, make sure you like and follow. Also subscribe to our newsletter at ghostchickenranch.com.